Hi guys, welcome back. Right, it has been, I think, at least 2 months since I've done a video. Been doing other stuff, busy, you know, work gets in the way, other stuff gets in the way. So I thought I'd try doing out of the packet pick, and I'm hoping this isn't going to be too difficult. A black spur rim night latch. Having said that, I had a rim night latch before that took me about 3 months to open, because they're normally got no security pins in, so you don't always get the feedback that you want from them. But we'll have a go and see if we can open this. I've got a couple of parcels as well to do videos on. One from someone sent a parcel on which was a potty series of locks. I just not got around to doing it. And a parcel from Apache John, who kindly sent me a parcel. And I haven't had a chance to even touch it really. Right, so I was hoping to try and see if I could actually put this together and show it open in the lock, but that's going to be too much hassle, I think. So we just go for this. See, it's brand new. I haven't touched it. So let's see if we can open it. Like I say, I haven't picked anything for about 2 months. So I'm going to try it the right way up first. If I can't get that, I'll turn it over. All my stuff's been packed away by the missus. And hopefully this will go smoothly. This is going to feel very alien because yeah, it feels very weird where I haven't picked anything for such a long time. Maybe I should have picked something easier. I'm getting little movements. Something dropped then. Come on, baby. turn it over and see if we get any better luck. And really I should have got my, let's do it properly. Let's get a proper pry bar out. There, right. Hopefully it will open quick now. I think we're close. There we go. I need to practice again the right way up. Couldn't get it to open the right way up. If you know what I mean, the right way up. If I open this, is it worth it? I think it's all standard pins, so I ain't gonna bother. But I need to get practicing again. Let's try it one more time. Just I think I was too gentle with it. Try to be a bit more brutal, like so. 2, 1, 4, 5. There we go. Yeah, I was being too soft with it. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.